Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Yesterday, the whole world is talking about our market falling. There were a lot of discussion in social media. Even though some people were predicting the lower circuit also. I said very categorically the market is not going to react to this Hindenburg report. At the end of the day, Nifty just closed 20 points lower and Bank Nifty closed in green. Mid cap, small cap indices ended in green. The reason I already mentioned, whenever something happens for the first time, it's a shock. When second time, third time happens, it's not a shock. Other side, the Hindenburg accusation against SEBI chairperson, that's a peanut. It's a question of about 50-60 crore. That's actually a peanut. There's nothing very big. And moreover, SEBI chairperson, it's an individual person. So that is an allegation against an individual person. That has nothing to do with the stock market. If there was an allegation against Mukesh Ambani, the story would have been different, right? Surprisingly, today Reliance Industry is a top loser in terms of contribution to the Nifty. But despite that, it is a respectable closing and supported by the global cues. In the morning, there was some kind of a sell-off, the Nifty fell 200 points because of some kind of panic. I think that panic was unwarranted, So I'm sure the domestic institution would have entered when the markets fell, then took the market higher. And today morning, if you can remember, I told you, I will not be surprised if Nifty closes positive today. But Nifty did not close positive, but for most part of the day, it was trading in green. There was some kind of a sell-off towards the end of the day that brought Nifty closed 20 points lower, but mid-cap index was higher, small-cap index was higher, Bank Nifty was higher, So, in a way, this Hindenburg report is a non-event as far as the stock market is concerned. As I told you earlier, if they come out with, accusation against some other group, the story would have been different. But Adani, there is no use. And as I told you, probably some people know this already. So that is why the Adani stocks were weak, despite, Narendra Modi becoming Prime Minister for the third time. So therefore, so today's one-off event, but again, there is some kind of a fear. So that is why the India VIX has actually moved higher. I am sticking to my view, and if you can remember, I said for this current week, I am keeping my view as 24,000 to 24,700. The reasons I explained already, 24,000 is a great support. So many times it went there and took the support. And 24,700, is where the Nifty closed last week Friday. And then Monday, because of this Japanese scare, it gapped down to 24,400. So, 24,700 on the higher side, 24,000 on the lower side. So, that is the range I am looking for this week. But this week, Thursday is a holiday, so we have only 2 more trading sessions. Right now, European markets are looking okay. US futures are also slightly higher. And US markets went up on Thursday, went up on Friday, and today, if go by the futures, if today also it closes positive, so it's the third day of positive close. And, so looking at the open interest, so I'm sure, people would be selling call options and put options both equally. And, even I sold some call option around 24,700 on the higher side and 24,000 on the downside. So as I told you, because I'm expecting the market to trade in this range only, because I was having some media interview, so I didn't have time to look at the data. I'm just looking at the inflation data. Wow, consumer price inflation data 3.54% versus the expectation of 3.65%. And 3.54% is lower than the RBI expected range. RBI range is 4% plus or minus 2%. So it's actually, it is lower than the RBI long-term average inflation target. So no wonder the Bank Nifty has outperformed. So let us see what is going to happen tomorrow. Again, I have some other media interview. I'll be appearing on Sun News channel at 7 p.m. today. So I need to rush. So we will stop here and hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.